In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of replacing the front panel of your Aquarius ULTIMA controller unit. To complete the ULTIMA front panel replacement, you'll need the following: a replacement panel, screwdriver and USB. Ensure the serial number and site description of your new panel matches your site description and existing controller serial number. First, carefully remove the screws securing the front panel to the controller unit. If you are able to access the system settings of your current controller, export the settings onto a USB drive now. Insert the USB as shown and export settings from your controller. Then eject USB. Power off the controller at the socket, then wait for the LED lights to be extinguished before proceeding. In the case of recall or warranty, do not worry about this step. Remove the ribbon cables connected to the motherboard and probe board. Squeeze the top clip to release the hinge, then gently detach the front panel from the controller unit. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for any signs of damage or debris. Now, align the new front panel with the controller unit, making sure the hinge pins connect into place. If you've ordered a controller exchange panel with web access, the modem will come readily fitted. Reconnect the ribbon cables as shown. It's important to make sure the connections are not twisted. Import settings to the new front panel using the same USB. Once the controller has powered on, go to System, Import/Export, Import Settings. Once complete, eject the USB. Carefully reattach the screws to secure the new front panel to the controller unit. You have now successfully replaced the front panel of your controller unit. Thank you for watching, and remember to refer to your ULTIMA manual for specific instructions and safety precautions.